Hello everyone, it is Diane and I am going to do a 5-cup flip cup, kind of emptying all of my colors out, so these are like rainbow colors. Each cup has 2 drops of silicone and it's about 4 ounces in each cup. And I'm just mixing them around just a little bit. I don't care, they're going to be dirty cups, dirty pours on this 12 by 24 Creative Inspirations black canvas. I just wanted to do a dirty pour before I start on doing some resin work that I have planned since the weather's nicer. And I just wanted to include you in that. So, I'm going to just flip. And if it comes out, I'm fine with that. Flip, 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 and flip. And so, we will let those sit there for a hot minute and I will be right back. Okay, so those are just sitting there. I'm not gonna float them, I'm just gonna kind of like drag and release, so we will see what we get. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty too. Lots of pretty colors. Rainbow colors, yay. Loving it. Just gonna pop some bubbles, I see. Got my clean new torch I'm using, which I'll have to be very careful when I start resining here and again soon, because that's what really gets dirty, is the resin. I should have a separate torch for resin, because I don't always use my heat gun. That looks pretty cool, man. Let me see what you can see. I might actually zoom you in here a minute, because I do see that it is a little, just move you up, and then zoom you in. Pretty psychedelic colors, I'm digging it. Lots of beautiful cells popping up. Yay! I don't want to rush it, but I'm gonna just take it back and forth for a minute, like this. See if we can get some good cells coming. That one in the corner is really, it's really in the corner there. I do like all the colors together though. I think it's awesome. Alright, I'm going to try and just move it down this way a little, and then over that way. It's not going to be easy with that one in the corner. I should have put it more to the middle, but we'll see what we can get. Let me go actually. That would be smart, Diane. Go down and over and down. And I'll take it off that corner down there. And go down to this corner. And I'm fine with leaving some of the black on the background. That's kind of like that. Ooh, colorful. Pretty cool. Set it down for a minute. That's pretty awesome. The hippie in me loves this. My friends used to have a party every Halloween, and the one year I went as Janis Joplin, and I have dark brown hair and got the, you know, cool round glasses and everything, and I didn't tell anyone who I was, just, you know, thought they'd think I was just a hippie. And then one guy in particular, our friend Bob, he said, you're Janis Joplin, aren't you? And I thought, I am. And I'm surprised you guessed that. Like, you know, everybody else was like, oh, Diane's just a hippie, and which is cool, because that's what I was, but I was trying to be a specific hippie, if you will. All right, let's move this a little off to the side. Why do I hear paint dripping? It's way too quiet in the house when you can hear paint dripping. Right? Yeah, that's what I think. Bring it back here. Bring it down to this corner. I don't know how much of that you can see, but I'm trying to bring it down to this corner here. Yay me. And I'll bring it back. I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit here and stop for a minute. Let's just let it sit while I wipe off my hands. So I had my friend Louise come over today, and we did some dotting. And that was pretty cool. I have to tell you though, I now see why you have to practice that, because me being the somewhat, when it comes to small things like that, anal person that I am, if I got a dot wrong, I was not happy with myself. It's not like pour painting where you have not as much control, so therefore you might not feel as bad, if you will. Ooh, nice cells coming up here, all different colors. Dig that. That's what I'm hoping to get, some good cells coming up. A little extra heat in here. I like the yellow throughout it, and you can see the orange that I put in there, because I didn't put very much yellow or orange in. But you can see it. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool, man. Alright, I'm just going to let that sit for a minute, and then I will take you down for a closer look. Okay, y'all, just taking you in for a final look here. There's some really cool cells in that right-hand corner. Look at how colorful they are. That's fabulous. Really dig it. So this is the top, coming down the middle of this 12 by 24. And yeah, I like what I see. It's pretty neat. I just had to get rid of a bunch of little paints that I had left over from my bottles. And it's given me some good really interesting stuff to look at. I'm really enjoying it, actually. I like these little cells here and up in here. This is my favorite part up here, though. It's so colorful in those cells. It's just so colorful. And then we come down here on the right side. Bright lights, big city, loving it. Right? There's the bottom left. So, yeah. I'm going to take a step back and see if I can fit the whole thing in here. So, yes. So here it is. I hope you all enjoyed watching me do it. I had fun. I so appreciate y'all subscribing to my channel and clicking that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I get some cool effects like this to share. Really loving that. I just love all of it. But yeah, please stay tuned for my next video and go out and do some art. Have fun, guys.